Today I'm doing another video of Zooba, and today there has been some news that there is a new macaw Yara or parrot Yara in the zoo, and right now is in the maze of treasures. So I don't know if you're gonna get it, but let's just try. Okay, wooden crate. You can get really unlucky with these stuff. Just look, I'm gonna get caught by a guard when I get a gold crate. Okay, not a wooden crate. Okay, do not get caught by the guard. If I'm getting a gold crate, I'm ending it right there. I'm gonna climb and just open it up. Okay, never gonna get gold crate. Always gonna get coins. Okay. 4 gems. Do not get caught by a guard. And I'm gonna get caught by whoever. Okay. Can I make it to 10 without getting caught? There's no guard. Okay, one more, come on. Do not get caught by a guard. There's no guard at all. I spoke too soon. Right after, I was telling that there's no guard at all. There's a guard. Give up. There it goes. Sad. And get some tickets. Okay, so let's battle with Yara because her skin is the how do you say? It's like the main topic. So why don't we just play with Yara instead of someone else? Okay, I should not be spending my gems like this, but I want to make it level 9. Okay, coins, need coins. Some coins. Come on. Need some coins. Anything in here? No. Okay. I haven't been working on the path of pause. I'm not gonna get anything from there. That should be enough to take care of. Oh yeah, there is something free. Please be coins. Please be coins in the store. Please be coins. Please be coins. Please be coins. Please be coins. And it is coins. Okay guys, just got a little glitchy. So no. If he invites me one more time, I'm taking him off my friends list. Okay. That should be enough. Even with the gems. Yes. I would like to buy that. And then there it is. Level 9 Yara. And then let's upgrade her spear, shotgun, and range with her bow. And then let's just get right into this video. Right into this battle. Okay, we're gonna go solo. I don't know if I had any items for Yara, but I didn't equip any. This is the central zoo, not the zoo rail. Yeah, boy. Spear. I'm used to getting to health kits from this because of the Christmas event. The guards used to give you 2 health kits. I'm used to getting 2. Okay. Anybody want to get speared by the spear or shot by the shotgun or bowed by the bow and arrow? Oh. Well, wait. Take this. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Whoa, my God. And I'm gonna die, and I just died. So that's gonna be the end of today's video, guys. If you like it, subscribe, and if you love it, subscribe and you like. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.